Hi, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at some facts about our Republic Day and why do we celebrate it on 26th January. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Every year on 26th January, we celebrate our Republic Day. On this day, the Constitution adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly came into effect. Twenty-sixth January was chosen the Day of Republic, as in 26th January 1930, Purna Swaraj Declaration was promulgated. The Indian flag with charkha spinning wheel in middle was hoisted publicly across the length and breadth in India by the freedom fighters on this day. The father of Indian Constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, was the chairman of drafting committee. It took long 2 years and 11 months to prepare the world's largest democracy. Every year on Republic Day, parade march is done by Army, Navy and Air Force, along with culturals by different states of India. The parade marches from the Rashtrapati Bhavan until the India Gate along the Rajpath. The President of India distributes the Bravery Award, Ashoka Chakra and the Padma Awards, which is one of the highest honor civilian awards. Republic Day is our national festival honoring the day Constitution of India came into effect. Republic Day celebration performed by different states in India reflects our unity in diversity. Republic Day gives the message of unity, harmony and equality.
So these are the facts about our Republic Day. Hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching. Be connected with us to get notification of our new videos.